So today I'll be making a video on how you can store your yam that can last for months. I'll start by cutting it. Then I'll start with the peeling. I'll repeat the process. I have a lot of yam to peel. So as I'm peeling the yam, I put water in here so that the color will not change. I'm not gonna wash it too much, but just to put the water to retain the color. So I have the last one here. At this point, I will rinse it and take it out of water. So I'll cut it. I have so many, I will repeat the process. I'll cut it maybe this way. If I'm gonna cook it, if I'm making use of if I'm cooking porridge, if I like, I will cut it a little bit, but for now it will be like this. At this point, I'm done with the cutting of the yam. I'll be making, I have this shape, so I'm not gonna wash it again. I'll use paper towel to dry it, then I put in a ziploc. Then I'm gonna dry it this way. Why I'm not gonna wash it, I want this yam to retain the freshness. If I wash it at this point, it's like I'm washing out the taste. So anytime I'm gonna cook, I'll just rinse it and cook. Then I dry it with your paper towel and put in a ziploc. Bag inside your ziploc. Don't overfill your bag. So I'll be repeating the process. I have so many to bag. I'll repeat it until I'm finished. You can dry it very well. So at this point, our yam is ready. I'm done with the packing. I got 4 bags. So the next thing is to put inside your fridge, not the one that has too much ice. I'm not gonna put inside my deep fridge because it has too many ice, so that the color won't change. I'm gonna show you something like this one. Too much ice. I'm not gonna put inside here. So guys, I'm done packing it inside freezer. No ice. This is to keep it fresh. It will last more than 1 year. Anytime you want it, bring it out, rinse it and cook. Fresh frozen yam. At this point, I'll be ending this video right here. Thank you for watching. Bet me if you try this method, man, you love eating your frozen yam. Don't wash it after peeling, just cut it and pat dry it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.